We know that a class.class object contains information about a class, that is, properties about a class. After getting the reference of a class.class object, we can analyze the properties of a class which is stored in that class.class object. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 17 of Java and Web, Reflection API in Java. In this video, I will introduce you about analyzing the properties of a class which is stored in an object of class.class. After getting reference of an object of class.class, we can analyze the properties of a class whose properties are stored in the given object of class.class. Class.class contains several methods whose return type are different classes in java.lang.reflect package. So the class.class have several methods whose return types are these types: field type, method type, constructor type, modifier type, etc. Or arrays of this type means field array, method array, constructor array, modifier array, etc. These types means field type, method type, constructor type, modifier type, etc. are found in a package java.lang.reflect. In the previous video of this session, we already have seen how the class.class file and the package java.lang.reflect and these types inside the package java.lang.reflect are physically stored in your hard disk. So various methods of class.class returns these types or arrays of these types, and these types belong to java.lang.reflect package. Various methods of class.class return object or array of object of above types. In the coming videos of this session, we will learn most of the methods of class.class. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.